Good morning to all our friends in the Ninja Nation. It's the first working day of 2020 and the first working day of a new decade. This is Peter Parneg with the first Ninja action tip of the new year. First, remember to enjoy every moment. Don't let the whirl of anxiety and stress and excitement cloud your vision, even though it is the beginning. What's the best way to do that? Larry has said it so many times. Keep focused on the Ninja 5. Start with your morning routine. Let a string of gratitudes be the very first thing that you focus on when you wake up every day. It truly sets a wonderful tone for the day. Second, start time blocking right now. Even if you just commit to 1 hour a day first thing when you get to the office to do your Ninja activities, that would be a wonderful start to 2020. You might also start by keeping a few Ninja Scorecards for each week, just to keep you focused. Click here to download one. You know, the scorecard ties in perfectly with your Ninja planner to keep you on track. Third, write your word of the day many places, so that it remains at the center of your consciousness for the whole year. Whenever you kind of go backwards a little bit, it'll propel you forward. And finally, January, this month, should be thought of as Real Estate Review Month. You know, people have been making plans and goals, and for many, real estate change is part of their plan. Be the proactive, trusted advisor that you know you want to be. So here's a tip. Start with a really good friend or two to get practice doing a real estate review before you go deep into people you haven't talked to in a while. If you want to review how to do a real estate review with a super easy invitation, click right here and watch a video. It'll clarify some things for you. And here's our closing thought. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Go slow to go fast. Little daily victories accomplished over time will amount to huge success. Thank you one more time for being on the Ninja Path with us, and Happy New Year. We'll see you Monday.